uh, continuation taton arin compounds. So after alkyl halides, anyway, turungan ko natin example. May mga example magkapit babasa. So for aryl halide, usually one of the rules is um, usa nga gina-adapt iton ayo pakit pag-adapt iton ortho meta para. Ortho nga ni basta magsapit an imo kay di ba 6 man lera nga tanan. So total possibility hiton duduha nga magsapit nga o duduha nga substituent. So for example iniya may duha nga substituent kung magsapit nga nira ortho kung medyo bulagin usa ka carbon that is meta kung bulagin tulo ka carbon kay kung mag-upat di may daman di duha so i-consider ang duha. So kung magbulagin duha ka carbon, I mean sa duha tulo ka carbon apart, so itawag kaya is para. So for example, this one, you have 2 chloro, so that is dichloro. Ortho dichlorobenzene. Pwede ka pinatawagon nga 1,2-dichloro. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Yes, I think it's also okay. 1,2-dichlorobenzene iton kanan ayupak. So again, but common talaga ini nga ortho meta para ay mga organic compound. So that's why we don't neglect them. So again, ma-check gyapon na kito. Kumbaga ortho imbis na 1,2 pareho latera. And then for 1,3 lahat ang yan sa carbon we call it meta. So but that is actually 1,3. For example, this may daniya duha nga methyl. So actually name ito is 1,3 1,3 dash dimethyl benzene. Dimethyl tapos ang benzene, which is actually easier. Pero again, common ini nga meta pag siring meta dimethyl benzene, meaning your 2-methyl has a distance of 1 carbon. May da paniraw sa carbon in between. And so is also with the para. Example, may nakita dito chlorine and this one is a benzaldehyde. So napa-benzaldehyde din niya, di man na benzaldehyde. CH2 is a benzyl. So aldehyde iton I think you have to go to the aldehyde group. Iniya ka aldehyde iniya si COH. Samantalang nim keton is COC. COC something or CORR aduang R. Kita niyo dito yung functional group again. So this one would be a benzaldehyde. Iniya kasi nga benzaldehyde iti nga daan. So imbutangan nimong chloro. Again, the priority would be the aldehyde part on your benzaldehyde. So kung animo parent name is benzaldehyde, since you're already included the benzaldehyde aldehyde on this side, so your parent name is chlorobenzaldehyde, so that should be the carbon number 1. Kunahin mo aldehyde. So 1, 2, 3, so naglaktaw yahin tulo. So it is called duha ka carbon duha ka carbon ikatulo ang carbon nakadto na. So it is called para-chlorobenzaldehyde. Pero hindi kapit iya 1,4-chlorobenzaldehyde. Okay? 1,4-chlorobenzaldehyde. So para ortho meto. Another example. Example lang kita. So adi yung example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Iton una nga priority diri anay again alphabet kundi kikitaon na nen imo substituent. Kunain mas dudurog ko tira. Kung magtikang ka dit number 1, your numbering would be 1, 3, 4. Kung magtikang ka dit your numbering would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 5. Samantalang kung tidi 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4 pinakahilipot. That's why did it number 1. So kami itong rule ha. So before ka magkatut ibang rule, nahon mo anay an mga sanga. Kaya amot mas priority. So that's why pero pag ngaran lang sa bugos, of course, mauuna hangaran iton bromo because bromo is B. Okay? So for bromo, 1, 2 dimethyl. So this both of these are methyl. Dimethyl so benzene. Okay? And then this one is a phenol, OH. So kung ginngaranan mo yung phenol just like this, ano mo number 1 of course kunahan na mo napaphenolaiya which is the OH. Ang napaphenolaiya that is a benzene with an OH. So that is a phenol. So number 1 dito mo carbon ha may phenol nga side. Tapos 1, So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 5. Samantalang kung aditin mo na hon, may 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 4, diba? Dapat dili kita nag-una. But again, the priority is OH. That's why dili kita nag-number 1. So, we call it 2,5-dimethyl because these two are methyl. Tapos, added iton 2,5-dimethyl phenol. So, it doesn't necessarily nga ngaranan hin 1, it imo napaphenol iya. So, adi, babawiyon ko, I think pwede itong ngaranan. But anyway, nagsasave sir, ang kanina, nga nagbatang akong ngaranan ano sa man. 1,4, so pwede lang itatawagon nga 4-chloro. 4-chlorobenzaldehyde. Because ani mo napabenzaldehyde iya, napaldehyde is number 1. So, inigin 1,4, kay gingaranan naman laya nga 1,4-disubstituted. Iyal actually gin-define nga 1,4-disubstituted iti nga klase. But again, for the naming, it should be named para-chlorobenzaldehyde or 4-chlorobenzaldehyde. Okay? So, that's the name of that ngayon to correct. And then we have another one. So, din nga side, toluene is animo benzene nga may CH3. So, ginapilat niya. So, meaning, magna-number 1 kita kung hain mo CH3. So, and the rest will be a substituent. So, kung 1DD, pinakahilipot is, actually, pwede ka pakadigi ha, pwede pakadigi. Pareho man 1, 2, ngan 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 6. So, 1, 2, 4, 6. Kung di 1, 2, 4, 6. So, bisa na initira. Pareho lang sa. Again, this compound has a somewhat symmetry in the center. So, pero diri ko disod ka symmetry because your NO2 and CH3 maybe. Anyway, we have to draw the whole compound kung karon nat makita ang symmetry talaga. But anyway, for this case, may symmetry so pwede pa paluyo inin pagngaran. But again, the name would still be the same. That would be a 2,4,6 tri-nitro. So, both of these are called nitro. Nitrolera tawag NO2. So, nitrolera. So, NO2 would just be nitro. So, matuloy ito, that would be a 2,4,6 tri-nitrotoluene. Actually, amin bomba. Bomba TNT, dynamite TNT. So, that is 2,4,6 tri-nitrotoluene. So, example na kita. Anyway, for this, you have a chloro and a methyl. So, you could include it as a toluene since benzene and your CH3 is a toluene. So, pwede ka nalang magngaran nga 1, 2, 3. So, that is a 3-chlorotoluene. 3-chlorotoluene. Okay? Pwede liwat, ortho, meta, para, meta. So, this is a meta. Kay distance nira isa sa carbon in between. So, this is a meta. So, pwede kasi mering meta-chlorotoluene. So, that would also be valid. Meta-chlorobenzene. For this one, this is a nitrobenzene. You have also a bromo. So, pwede mo itawagon nga para-bromo nitrobenzene. Para-bromo nitrobenzene. Or pwede ngaranan mo between bromo and nitro, I think mauuna itong bromo since B. So that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 4 bromo nitrobenzene. 1, 4 bromo 1, 4 bromo nitrotoluene. Okay? Nitrotoluene, nitrobenzene. Nitro. Okay? And then, sige lang, mahatag lang akong example. So, I'll just cut para diretso tag example. So,